In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but we will see more precisely la tienne. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about la tienne. The possessive pronoun la tienne can be translated into English as yours, your own, or your one, depending on the context. Remember that la tienne is féminin singulier. So we will see some examples with la tienne. Ma voiture est hybride, mais la tienne est électrique. Ma voiture est hybride, mais la tienne est électrique. Sa maison est petite, mais la tienne est très grande. Sa maison est petite, mais la tienne est très grande. Notre suggestion est intéressante, mais la tienne est bien meilleure. Notre suggestion est intéressante, mais la tienne est bien meilleure. Notre pelouse est verdoyante, mais la tienne est magnifique. Notre pelouse est verdoyante, mais la tienne est magnifique.